Hey, so every month I'm interviewing different top producing loan officers and seeing what they're doing with their business so you can implement it into yours. And I wanted to show you what's going to be added into your account that you can start using today. So if you go to automation, I'm just going to show you the back end of this and you go to monthly check-in. There's going to be a folder with a few different automations inside of here. So those are the ones, if you don't see it in your account, just let me know so I can add it. But this is what it does, and it's pretty cool. So if you go to a contact or if you go to a real estate agent that you're working with, you can either select multiple real estate agent contacts, click trigger automation, do monthly check-in, and then you're going to select the workflow that's called monthly check-in. Don't click answered or no answered. We're going to do monthly check-in. So that's how you had it if you want to add it to multiple people. If you want to just add it to an individual, you're going to click on their name, go to actions, click on add active workflow and click add, and we'll do the monthly check-in again, and then I'll show you what this does. It's really, really cool. It's what other top producing loan officers are doing. But if I go to opportunities and I go to my current realtor partners, it's going to put them in this list. So like, let's say I talk to Devin and I move him to attempted to contact. That means I attempted to contact Devin, but he didn't answer. But if I move him to contacted, that means I contacted Devin, he answered, and then that way I know every single month I need to talk to Devin because he's one of my top producing real estate agents that refers me business. I can also make this weekly, but I have it as monthly as default, so just let me know if you want that changed. So if you talk to Devin that month, the first day of the next month, so let's say you add him like November 15th, on December 1st, it's going to move him back to identified, so you know you need to call Devin again. Also, what it will do that's pretty cool, if you go to conversations and manual actions, it's going to put him in a power dialer for you. So I can go in, click let's start. It's going to start dialing Devin. I don't have a phone number set up, so it's going to look a little bit funkier in my account. But I'm going to click let's start. And what that will do is it's going to start calling Devin. Once it's called him and the call is complete, if I select no answer, voicemail, or busy, it's going to put him in the right stage. If I mark it as completed, this is pretty cool. If you go to opportunities and you go to current realtor partners, it just needs a second to update inside of your account. But what it will do is it's going to actually put him into the contacted stage. Just give it a second. Hasn't loaded yet, but it will put him into the contacted stage. That way you can just use the power dialer and know who you've talked to so far or not. If you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully this is helpful and you start utilizing it. And yeah, just let me know if you need anything changed and we'll go from there.